let's now continue our discussion. So can you guys give me a thumbs up? Just let me know that you guys are already in front of your computer. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, good. Since that most of you are already in here. Okay, so let's have one of these example right here. Let's have this one. So when it comes to positive, addition, so nothing's new. Convert this one into positive binary, and then perform binary addition. However, if we have this kind of result right here, okay. So for the positive 6, so it's the same, okay, just converted one into a positive binary combination. But for negative 13, so you have to perform the 2's complement. So again, represent this one into, by positive 13. So positive 13 is 0, 0, 0, 0. 8 plus 4 is 12, and then 0, 1 for 13. And then apply 2's complement, wherein 0 will become 1, and then 1 will become 0. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. And then add 1, okay? Plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Bring down 1, and then everything is now the same, okay? So that's how we've got that 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 right here. So clear so far? Were you guys able to follow? And how did we get this one? Okay, good. And then in here, you can now perform binary addition. So take note, it's always binary addition. Okay, nevertheless of this sign right here. It's just that in here, you need to, if it's negative, then you have to perform 2's complement. If it's positive, then still binary addition. Okay, so in here, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 10, carry 1, bring down 0. 1 plus 1 is 10, carry 1, bring down 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Let's see if we have the same answer. Oops, not right there. It's right over here. Okay, so in here we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so are we clear so far? Anyone who has a question? So just raise your hand. Okay, so I guess none. All right, so we're now done actually. So it's just that we have here the character representation. So the one that we have in hexadecimal, decimal, octal, HTML. So that one is actually in the form of ASCII code, or the one that we are saying American Standard Code for information interchange, wherein this one has 128 characters, or 0 to 127. So of course, this one will require 7 bits. And then in here, of course, this one contains non-printing characters and then printing characters. So when we say non-printing characters, those are the escape, tab, caps lock, shift, control, Windows key, alt. So anything that, you cannot see while typing, while pressing that one. Okay. But if you can say it, if it's a letter, if it's a number, if it's a symbol, okay, those are printing characters. Okay. So here are the lists, okay, of the decimals, so 0 to 127, okay, and then of course their equivalents in hexadecimal and in octal, okay. So this is your main cheat code to be exact when it comes to, let's say, reaching the value of 55 in decimal. In hexadecimal, it's 37, and then in octal, it's 67. Okay, and then their equivalents when it comes to HTML, wherein 55 decimal, it's actually 7 in our keyboard. Okay, it's 7. And if we have, let's say, 81 right here, okay, it's 51 in hexadecimal, and then 121 in octal, okay, which is letter Q in our keyboard, and so on and so forth. Okay, so in here, just an exercise wherein, just to make fun about ASCII code, but not a requirement. Okay, you can just try those if you want. but not a requirement on the module 4. And then in here, we have the register transfer operation, and then digital logic circuits. So register is the one that is accepting the data, and then register transfer operation is the one that is storing the data. Okay, so we have two registers, the one that is accepting and then the one that is storing the data. Okay, and then we have the digital logic circuits wherein this one perform the operation, let's say addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so to give you guys an idea, let's have this one as an example. So once you click J, O, H, and then N, okay, so it will go to our control unit first, and then will be transformed into 8 cells. So every character will be converted into 8 cells, and then so we have 4 letters, so we have 4 8 cells also, and then from here, that is the one that will be converted into binary. Okay, so N has this binary combination, H has this binary combination, same with O, and then the same with letter J. And then from here, it will of course go now to our monitor and will be displayed as J, O, H, and then N. Okay, so our computer doesn't read J as letter J, so it has to undergo to this kind of process, wherein again it's purely binary. Okay, it's only 1 and 0. All right, so that's it for letters. How about if it's operation? Okay, so in here we have the two numbers, let's say 225 and then 66 plus. Okay, so in our computer it is being read by this binary number and then another binary number, and then in here we have a special instruction for that when it comes to addition, and then those two will go here for as your R1 and R2, and then will be solved as your, or will give you a result of R3, okay, which is now 291. So the one that we are seeing in here is the yellow one, so 225 plus 66 is 291. But the computer, uh, the one that he is seeing, okay, or accepting is the binary number. All right. So are we clear so far? Do you guys have a question regarding with this one? Okay. So no question. All right. So if you guys don't have a question anymore, then that's it for this module number 4. So yeah, let me just, or let's just go back with our modules. So let me see on what would be my additional announcement. Okay, so lab number 5 and 6. So the deadline of this one is May 25. So you guys might going to have your module 4 and module 5 quiz next week. So maybe this coming 18 and 19. And then the remaining 2 meetings, okay, 21 and 22, maybe I will discuss now on how to install the Visual Studio. But in fact, let me publish this one now, okay, so that you guys can have an idea, okay, how to install the 2019 or 2015. Okay, so if you have a powerful computer, go for 2019 or 2020. Okay, if you have a medium performance of computer, then you can try 2015 or even 2012 or 2010. Okay, so I'm telling you guys this one now as early as of now, so that you can download this file, because this one might be 1 point something gigabytes, so this one is quite large actually, so that you can have more days or more time to download this application. So yeah, that's it for the module number 4. And then module number 5 and 6, again, we will not discuss this one anymore. But this module number 5 and 6 will be part of your midterm exam. Okay? So yeah, that's my only announcement. So any questions so far? If none, just give me a thumbs up. If you have a question or clarification, just raise your hand. Okay, so to those who gave me a thumbs up, you may now go and take the quiz number uh, 2 already. Okay. Okay, so goodbye and see you guys when we're going to have a meeting again. So just wait for my announcement. Goodbye.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. How about you, Miss Mickey? Miss Tamandong? Alright, so maybe you're not in front of your computer. Anyway, so goodbye.